Use the object grip to align the point cloud along the X or Y axes. Add a vertical section plane. Change the section plane color. Disable the point cloud and section plane viewing options. Activate the HRS Manager to quickly define the levels. Move and align the point cloud object grip to the 0 level reference. Now align the point cloud 0 level reference to the corresponding HRS 0 level reference. From the foundation level, now add the underlying sublevels below the 0 level reference. Align the level elevation height taking advantage of the point cloud snap nodes. Repeat the same procedure for further sublevels if present. From the roof level, add any extra levels that may be present above. Align the level elevation height taking advantage of the point cloud snap nodes. Repeat the same procedure for further upper levels if present.